Okay, so we've been using this dowel Insta-Stick inside the house to position door frames and things, just to do it. We're doing a raised bed this morning in the garden, and I thought I'd just see how good it is, an ultimate test for it, because you often see these adverts with the glue sticking things upside down and that. So we sprayed down the side of this post. It's about 6 foot high, it's 4 inches wide, and I'm telling you now, you could swing off this. So that is actually stuck just to a brick wall. We'll trim this up. I was going to put some concrete bolts in, but in all honesty, I don't think I'll bother. I don't think it needs it. So I've done a smaller one here as well. Another post there, and that's stuck, so it works even if it's got treatment on it hasn't. So looking for fast and efficient way of sticking timber to brick walls, etc. This Insta-Stick is definitely recommended. 10 out of 10. Hope that helps somebody.